This is the standard MT5 Heat Press model from am.co.za. And this is the extended MT5 E Heat Press model from am.co.za. The two models are almost identical, the only difference being the size. Whilst the standard MT5 has a pressing area of 29 by 38 centimeters, the extended MT5E version has a pressing size of 38 by 38 centimeters, which does make quite a difference. And the good news is that all the available attachments for the standard model are fully compatible with the new extended model. There is, however, a slight difference in how the cap press gets connected between the two models. Start by disconnecting the heat press panel. Now unloosen the screws holding the panel on the handle connection unit and remove the panel. Remove the mat and remove the screws at the base of the unit. Now the heat press panel is loose and you can remove it. Next, simply attach the base of the cap press and tighten. For the standard MT5, make use of the screws in the two inner holes. But for the MT5E model, make sure to use the two external holes so that the cap press aligns properly. But before you do that, simply turn the suspension pad unit 180 degrees to the back so that the slot faces towards the back. And that will allow the top of the cap press to go that little bit further back to compensate for the extended arm. Align it to the holes in the handle connector unit. If you do not align the MT5E model as such, you will land up with a misalignment between the top and the bottom of the cap press unit. Plug it into the main unit. And there you have it, a cap press for the MT5E model as well. So basically the only real difference is that with the MT5E extended model, you get a larger heat pressing area for bigger jobs. And yet you have the option of using the attachments that you might already have for the smaller standard MT5 version. If you have any further questions, you can always phone technical support that is always there for you. Or you can call the sales team on 060 600 6000. Happy heat pressing.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Khumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine, I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town. where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.